Fresh out of college with grades straight from hell, I wanted a job at which I could excel. An ad that read MR director desired, BS essential, no experience required. No time to waste on preparing and planning. Got me a tech who could do all the scanning. 10 minutes on YouTube, a TikTok or two. I had all I needed, I knew what to do. Ramp up the thing, now shim the what's it. What's that thing flying? Somebody should stop it. This thing's always on. Oh, now I've got it. Trust me, I'm in control. Signs that say caution have caught my attention, but I know it's safe cause there's no radiation. So I bring the wheelchair past signs through the door. Next thing I know, the thing's stuck in the bore. Torque's just a thing meant for physics-y nerds. An annual training, now that's just absurd. I can't bring my gun? Now give me a break. How am I supposed to make sure this place safe? Ramp up the thing, now shim the what's it. What's that thing flying? Somebody should stop it. This thing's always on. Oh, now I've got it. Trust me, I'm in control. I can't help myself, that red button's so tempting. Next thing I know, the whole magnet is quenching. But helium can't be the threat that they say. We put it in children's balloons every day. How could we really need all of these zones? These tales of great danger must be overblown. B1, B not, T1, SAR, and T2. You know what these mean? Cause I haven't a clue. Ramp up the thing, now shim the what's it. What's that thing flying? Somebody should stop it. This thing's always on. Oh, now I've got it. Trust me, I'm in control. The staff are all talking of mutiny now, but I'm here for good, I'll convince them somehow. The next thing they say, Joint Commission is coming. Those words chill my bones and I took off running. Ramp up the thing, now shim the what's it. What's that thing flying? Somebody should stop it. This thing's always on. Oh, now I've got it. Trust me, I'm in control.
The hospital bed was pulled uncontrollably into the MRI machine by its magnetic force. A nurse became pinned between the bed and the machine, reports say. She suffered crushing injuries. The patient fell to the floor. There are no regulations to specifically address MRIs. Safety advocates say that needs to change. I'm Brooks Jarose.